Students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I will analyze the question paper of 2020, which they have conducted last year, 2020. Now the entrance exam. So let's say how it will be. So how is the question paper and why is the question paper pattern and total how many marks are there. After that, the next questions also I will analyze. So before going to start. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share to useful ones. So students, you can see here this page is called as OMR sheet. Okay, they will give question paper separately, and this is OMR sheet. Here we have to fill the roll number. When you will get the hall ticket, in that your roll number is there, that we have to fill. For this you have to use blue or black point pen. Don't use the ink pen, students. After that, they have given some instructions here how to mark and which pen we have to use. Here how to make the circle. So if you do two circles, it is also wrong. Means if you said two, it will be considered as wrong. And if you do one wrong and one said, it's also wrong. If you mark as like this cross, this is also wrong. If you mark this one, see here half is there, this is also wrong. We have to complete said. We have to say the complete. And so understood. And once you say it means we can't change it that. So we have to think before we ink. Okay, students, you have to think before ink. Means before putting the share marks, you have to think twice. Okay, students. And after that, they have given here important notes, students. Then in the same page, how to fill the mark side also they will give, and in the exam hall the supervisor will also explain you regarding this one. Here they have given some examples here. If your roll number is this one, we have to fill like this. So this you can get clear picture after you are getting the hall tickets. And the main test booklet number, whatever they have given on the question paper, no booklet number, that we have to fill here. First we have to write the number in these boxes. After that, same we have to shade. Means here 1 means 1 is shading 7. So 7 number you have to shade. 3 we have to shade 2. Like this we have to do. And this is the state, district, block, center. Okay, this is the state code, district code, block code, and center code. It is given in your hall ticket that you have to put. Okay, and after that, how to give response, how to put answer, they have shown here. Okay, if question number 8 is there, if your answer is A, so A, B, C, D, in this we have to say A. Okay, and very important, we have to say it completely. Okay, students, so let's see what is the next page. So students, next second page will be like this. Here to be filled by the candidate, you have to fill this. You have to fill your roll number here. In the boxes you have to write number. Then we have to which number you have to return, and the same line we have to say. Okay, and main test booklet number also you have to fill, and name of the candidate in the capital letters. In this box you have to write your name in the capital letters. You have to remember that capital letters you have to write, and father's name is also in the capital letters. In this box you have to write father's name. Okay, students, and after that this they will fill that. Means it is filled by the supervisor of that block, and state code, district code, block code, center code, they will fill this one. Okay, after this they will give like this. See here, so this will be the OMR sheet of the answers. Okay, students, now here question number is there, response. For example, question number 1 A, B, C, D, question number 2 A, B, C, D. In this, which is right answer? After seeing the question, you have to put shading. Okay, students, and total 80 questions are there. So you can see here total up to 80 they have given. After this, at the end signature of the candidate is there. You have to do signature, and the signature of the invigilator means a supervisor. Okay, students, after this next page they will give the general instructions for the candidates. Let's see that. So this is the test booklet. Here again we have to write roll number, name of the candidate, signature of the candidate. You have to write your name, here your signature, and this is the test booklet number. This number you have to write there, test booklet number. Students, total time is 2 hours and maximum marks is 100 marks. And they have given your complete general instructions in this page, and how to give the response also they have given for students. And total how many marks are there, that also they have given. This thing you have to remember, section 1, section 2 and section 3, total 3 sections are there. In that first section from 1 to 40, question number 1 to 40 will be there, 40 questions, and total marks is 50 marks. Each question carries 1.25 marks, that you have to remember. And next section 2, it is arithmetic, means mathematics. First one is mental ability, second is arithmetic, means mathematics. In that 41 to 60 means 20 questions are there, 25 marks. Each question carries 1.25 marks. Next third is language test, section 3 from 61 to 80 question number, 20 questions, 25 marks. It's also same, each question carries 1.25 marks. Okay, students, and all questions are compulsory. You can attempt all questions because there is no negative marking. This we have to. And in question paper they will give the space for the rough work also. Students, now let's take question number 1, and what will be the question and what is the answer. Let's discuss about that. So students, let's see section 1. In the section 1 again 10 parts are there. This is the part 1. In the part 1 we have to read the direction, and students you have to practice as much as possible. How much you have to practice means without saying part 1 what is there, we have to do directly. You should not waste your time by the reading directions. Okay, I will read your directions. So in the question number 1 to 4th, figures A, B, C, D have been given in each question. Of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar in some way and 1 figure is completely different. We have to select the figure which is different, darken the circle for the answer in the OMR sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Already I have shown you how to do that. Okay, students. Now let's see the first question. Students, you can see here this is the first question. In this question they have given 4 figures. We have to observe that 3 figures are similar in any way. Okay, but 1 figure is completely different. Which is that we have to choose in this all 4 questions. So in this question, students, you can see here triangle is there. This is perpendicular, means 90 degrees there. Line is straight, means it is 90 degree. Here also triangle is there, but it is not a 90 degree. So because this the line we can show this one. This is also straight line. This is also 90 degree. This is also straight line 90 degree. So 90 means this is not a 90 degree. So what will be the answer? So yes, students, B is the answer. This is the answer. Now after this, after getting answer, what we have to do? Let's friends, we got answer. First one is B. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to shade this B properly from blue or black point pen. Like this we have to shade. Students, now next questions I will not shade here. You can practice at home. Next I will continue the questions. Okay, students, let's see. Like this we have to shade. So first one is we got a B and we have shaded that also. So let's see the second question. So in each figure you can observe how many circles are there. Inner circle, outer circle. 2 circles are there. Inner circle, outer circle, 2 circles. Here also inner and outer 2 circles. Here you can see that 1 circle is there. Again one more small circle is there. It is outside that. There is no inner circle. Okay, just one thing is changed. Now after that, one more thing you can remember. You can see here this arrow mark is going from inside to outside, means from the circle to outside it is going. Here also it is going outside. Here also it is going outside, but here the arrow mark is coming inside the circle. So what will be the answer? So 4th means D is the D one is the answer. Okay, students, let's see next question. That is question number 3. In this question number 3, we can see here they have given letters of English alphabets. So first one is KIT kit, second one is TIK tick, third one is ITK, and 4th one is IKC. In this, which is the answer, which is different, we have to see. Okay, students, in the third one we can see ITK and IKC. So here first one is the answer. So why first one is the answer, you can think here, because this gives the complete meaning, means it has the meaning. Kit means something, the things we kept in that, no, inside the cricket kit, like this will tell. But these don't have, say this they don't have meaning, but this is the word, but this don't have particular meaning. It's actually sound, we can say, for this. So answer is the kit. Students, now let's see fourth one. The fourth one, we can say, we can observe that there are four same are there, means four squares are there. In that squares, again one is in the between line is there. So it made two triangles here, both side two triangles. Okay, students. Now after that, after making the triangles, what is difference is there? So you can see here this line, small line, you can see, observe the small line here, and it is also here on the side. It also on the side is there, but this one you can think here, it is in the middle. So this will be the answer. Fourth one is the, in that fourth one, eighth is the answer, A. Student, A is the answer. Okay, students, this is the part one. So let's see the part two. Students, let's see part two. In the part two, so second part is which is same, that we have to find out. And question number is 5 to 8. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 to 8 they will given, and left side they will give problem figure, right side they will give answer figures. 4 answer figures are there. We have to select which figure is exactly same as the problem figure. Students, now see, let's see question number 5 here. In the question number 5, so this is the problem figure. We have to observe this properly. After this, we, in the answer figure, we have to search as it is same. So let's see here, upside two circles are there, downside two lines are there, middle one square is there. So let's see the same. So first one, so upside there is no two squares, circles. So this one is not answer. Second, upside two circles are there, same, and downside two lines are there, it's also same. So this is the answer. Okay. In third, you can see this one, upside here circle is there, here line is there, and here lines are there, here circles are there. So second one is the perfect, so we can put second as answer. Okay, students. Now let's go to check question number 6th one. So here 4 sides arrow marks is there, up, down, left, right. Students, first one, let's see first one. Up, left, or right is there, down, this is not a arrow mark, so this shape is changed, so this is not answer. And you can see this one here, the shape is changed, this is also not answer. Third one, we can see here exactly same, all the arrow marks are correct. Fourth one, it is also different. So what will be the answer? C is the answer of the 6th one. So let's see question number 7th one. So observe the figures carefully, students, so that it will be helpful. And part 1, part 2, part 3, these are all very simple. So you can do it speedily. Okay. In the 7th question, see the figure exactly, which is the same. And observe that you can observe the answer figures. In the answer figures, let's see this shape. This triangle is small, but this triangle is big, so this is not answer. Here you can observe this one, this triangle and this triangle is same, and this also, and this is also same, this is also same. So this is exactly looking same, but still we have to observe C and D also. C is completely different, so not need to check here. This is also different, so answer will be the B one. 7th one is B answer. So we can observe this one is exactly same. So let's see last question of this part. So one circle is there, inside that circle, 3 part they have made 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 equal parts are there. In that 8 equal parts, 3 part is shading. That only we have to see here. Okay. Here also you can see 8 equal parts are there, but this part is shading here. Students, here this part is shading, here this part is not shaded, so this is not answer. And here you can see this one is shading correct, and this one is part is correct, and this part is also correct. So we can observe this also, this is this part is shading here, so B one is the answer. We have to observe all this, they are wrong and this is the right. Students, now let's go for the next part of this question paper. Students, let's see that part 3. In part 3, questions start from 9 and close at 12. 9 to 12. There is a problem figure on the left side and the answer figures are there in the right side. In the 4 answer figures, which is right, we have to select. Okay, students. Now, after this, and without changing the direction, means we should not change the direction, we have to take this part and we have to go and fix there, so that the problem figure, it should be complete, means some part is missing. Okay, so let's see which part is missing. So in the question number 1, you can see here, students, question number 1 is there. So here which part is missing, we have to find out. So let's see. If you take this part and if you bring here, this is inside. So here you can see this lines, curve lines, they are outside, but this is inside. So this is not answer. So let's go to next one. So here one small circle is there in this figure. So this is also not answer because there is no small circles. And in C one, we can see one small line is there here, straight line. It is here, but there is no lines here, so C is also not answer. So we can see last one. If you put here, if you put here last one, and dots are there, and this line is also there, so it will complete now. Okay, students, like this you can do with the pencil. So this is the answer. 4th one is the D is the answer. Students, now let's see question number 10. In question number 10, see the figure first, problem figure, and let's see this figure. This line should be there, complete line. Okay, and this arrow marks also we have to check. Here right side, left side, and this side means all the sides, in all the direction they are showing the arrow marks. Here we can see this is correct, this is correct, this is also, this is wrong here, it is not going outside, so this is not an answer. Let's see the second one. So cross is there and the arrow marks also is there, it's all the arrow marks are going outside, so this is the answer. Okay, here also this is also wrong, here you can see this is also wrong. Students, some minor mistakes are there, that mistakes you have to find out, and which is exactly correct, that we have to write as answer. So let's see the question number 11th here. In the question number 11, see, by observing this one, which will suits, if you take this and keep as it is here, is it suits or not, we have to check. So if you take this and you suits, it will suits. So A1 is the 8th one is the answer. This is opposite direction, so wrong. This is also wrong because the shape is completely changed, and this is also wrong because this circles, these triangles are little bit small here when compared to these things, these triangles. So A is the answer. Okay, students. So A is the answer. Now, next in the 12th question, you can see here. See, we have to observe the problem figures first. Next, we have to do here in the first figure. There is the dots are there, so this is not answer. Second figure we can observe here. So circle is there, and this will not match here, these things. So this is also not answer, and this is also completely not answer, because here in this we can observe that one or two answer figures are there, so easily we can recognize it is wrong. This is also wrong and this is also wrong. Okay, in these two we have to decide which is correct. This is also wrong, so D one is the right answer, because it will suit here properly. Okay students, I hope you will all understood this one. Next in the next video I will come with question. I will start with question number 13. Okay students.